Off we go to the farm. Work truck here. Oh no, I'm not talking about the Acty, I'm talking about my work truck. The Evo. Oh! Misstep. Alright, got a right-hand drive mobile here. Let's check it out. Let's line it up. Well, I mean, the two things line up, so looks good to me. Now let's get down to it. All right. Well, the good news is nothing broke yet. There's gotta be like a tilt wheel here? Come on. No? Alright, alright. I'm good. Alright, looks like we got a couple screws right back here. Hopefully this is holding on the cover. Alright, chill out, dude. 1, 2. Let me show you. Alright, so popping screws out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got these 4 off. Look like that. What you'll have in here is a little wire connected. There you go. That's for your horn. Always leave it on a little bit. Ah, there you go. Comes off nice and easy. Just to make sure you can pull that wheel off. Boom. There you go. We're off. Not so bad. This looks like 2 screws. 1 and 2. But before I do that, I'm going to pop off these clips. Nah, maybe. Did I say I was actually going to pop these up? Because I don't know. I'm going to pop them off. Two. 3. 4. All overreaction. Okay. This probably has to go on the same way or something? I don't know. Well, I don't need these pigtails. They even have the same numbers. M9453, M9453, SJ8, SJ8. I'd say this is the same thing. And you can see there, Supposedly, as the story goes, is this dude let his dog in here, and his dog's head busted it off. I mean, there's not really much room in here. He said it was a big dog. I'm just gonna take this thing and put it right there in the same kind of direction, and I'm sliding this back on. Oh yeah, plugs are plugging right in. This is good stuff. Reassemble. Okay. And make sure you torque it down to the right specs. Right? Yep, that was about 20 foot-pounds. That's probably too much. Shoot, I never made sure. Let's see if the wheels are straight. Oh. Looking in front of me, but it is right next to me. To be honest, one thing I should have done before I started was mark this. No, screw it. I'm going for a freaking drive. Let's make sure the steering wheel's straight, because there's nothing that bugs me more than a crooked steering wheel. Woo! Alright, we got the wipers working. I guess the lights are working. So this is straight. So it seems like the wheel should go like this. See that? Like that. Like that. Best part about driving on the farm is you can drive wherever you want. Good there. Let me give it a couple of ooga doogas. Definitely torque the spec. And reattach that clip. Let's try that again. Oh boy. I've lost the spring. There we go. So it seems. I've been beeping this horn because, like, I kind of don't require it, but I've just been hitting it.
Stop at Tractor Supply and get medicine for the sheep. So, thank you, dear. I appreciate this.
Yep.
Love you.
Yep, love you.
Could you?
Yeah, what? Like what?
See those wires?
Yeah, I see them. Do I know what that is? I do not.
Oh.
I knew it. I knew it.
That looks like it should be tucked somewhere.
Yeah, it should, but that's not why I'm here.
Okay. All right.
You know,
Close the garage
it's just.
door, or are you going in?
I'm good. Yeah, so close it. You wait till you get the invoice for this bill. Oh boy, I'm actually gonna break the truck. Oh boy, I already know it, right? Help me. Can't get it started. Just wait, it's coming. It's coming. I'm just gonna pretend like I didn't hear anything. That's the best course of action. I didn't hear nothing. Nah, it sounds fine. You hear that? You hear the truck? Yeah, obviously it's the dead battery. It ain't gonna start.
What the hell, man?
Oh, look, and now it's my fault.
This is a brand new battery.
Brand new battery.
It started beautiful in the back.
What'd you leave on?
I didn't leave anything on. Wait, it's only been sitting here an hour. It's a brand new battery, even if I left something on.
So wait, now you're saying you did leave something on?
I drove it out of that barn, down to here, shut it off, and went in the house. Took the keys.
You probably left something on.
I hate this truck.
Ooh, when things are going good, we love it. When they're not going good, we hate it. I mean, it's life. Done. Done. Look, we got dead battery. Yeah, she was probably charging her phone the whole time. What'd you leave on?
I left nothing on.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you think that corrosion has anything to do with it?
It doesn't look like a new battery, that's for sure. Just because you got one, what do you mean they're new? These ain't new.
Dad said they were new.
Why is that dome light still on?
I don't know.
But then what are you gonna do?
This is a piece of shit.